Hey there, it's Tom Yezvikov, and if you've got a product or a video to promote or a page to drive traffic to, I'm going to show you how to get to the first page of YouTube and even Google for hard-knowing SEO and siphon millions of visitors for absolutely no cost, and all using simple little videos that we create and rank for you. How cool is that? And then, stay on top of the rankings using a very special sticky technology that makes sure when I say visitors, I'm talking about buyer traffic. Traffic that searches for your solution on both Google and YouTube. And yes, this also works for harder keywords. What's the point of wasting energy on super low traffic keywords that anyone can rank for? And yes, even if you don't know anything about SEO, this will work for you. Why? Because I don't know anything about SEO, and I'm still ranking like crazy and outrank the results of every single ranking. Skeptical? I bet you are. And without the software I'm about to show you, I would be too. Take a look at what we and our students have been able to achieve without any SEO knowledge, patience, or work. This is just the tip of the iceberg. 3 things to keep in mind about what we're about to share. As ridiculous as it may sound, it doesn't require more than 5 minutes of work. It's not risky, shady, and unreliable. In fact, you can activate it and let it run forever. You absolutely don't need to have any SEO knowledge with this. But if you do, you'll simply have an advantage with our system. Okay, so once again, my name is Rob Barra, and in the next 2 minutes, I'm going to show you how we went from not knowing anything about SEO to getting ranked on top of Google like it's nobody's business. Without backlinks, without video creation, without waiting for any experience. At first, the only thing we knew about SEO is that if you rank high on Google and YouTube, you'll get millions of visitors for free. Visitors that actually search for your product or niche, and they crave your solution. So we understood the potential, but how do we rank? Well, after not months, but years of practicing, trying, buying products, and struggling with SEO, we learned that the truth is that getting traffic and rankings in 2019 very hard, and spend a lot of money on backlinks at the same time. You need a continuous flow of backlinks, thousands of them, and they come with hard work and cost. No thanks straight away, right? But that's just the tip of the very unpleasant iceberg. You then still need to proceed and do a lot of manual research to find good keywords to rank for. Then with the most traditional ranking methods, you need to sit and wait and watch your rankings slowly creep up and hope they don't come crashing down. And with it, all of your traffic and earnings. But wait, that's not all. There are always hidden costs involved in all the softwares and service providers. And finally, the majority of SEO methods out there, if they work short-term, not long-term. If you check out my JV Zoo or Warrior Plus dashboard, you'll see that they are filled with different products and methods that I bought fast. Well, if you're looking for something fresh that works, you're in the right place. Because after literally years of buying products and trying different methods, spending 5 figures trying to learn how to rank on page number 1 fast, and long-term, I have spent the last few months working with an amazing developer from India, Yogesh Agarwal, on the ultimate and easiest rankings and traffic solution out there. And our goal was to remove all the hard work, costs, and risk, and bring in automation, fast rankings, and longevity. With our new system and software, there is no manual complicated work, no hidden expenses, no waiting, and in fact, you can see rankings as soon as minutes from now. It's long-term focused and designed so that you set and forget entire campaigns for months. No backlinks are needed, no videos are needed, because we create and rank them for you, and the software does the research for you. Are you ready for fast rankings? Easier than ever before. Allow me to introduce PointRank. PointRank is an all-in-one software that will create a video, rank it, and make the rankings stick long-term, so you worry about nothing other than collecting payments. All the technical stuff is done in the background. You'll simply need to follow 4 steps that the software will instruct you to do, and you're good to go. For real, that's all you need to do. You just worry about what you want to rank and what product you want to promote. And the research, the video creation, the rankings, the long-term rankings, it's all done in the background. Here's what makes PointRank special. We use a 4-step formula that's called LGRL. L stands for leverage, as our software leverages the success of other videos and uses the elements responsible to their success in your campaigns, legally. G stands for generate. This is where our software generates a video for you, so you don't have to worry about that. R stands for rank. This is where the software will rank your video on page number 1 of Google and YouTube in as little as a few minutes using live events without you having to worry about actually going live or mess with different softwares and dashboards. And finally, L again. Only this L stands for long-term rankings, where the software will initiate sticky ranking technology so that you'll rank always and always get free targeted traffic without PC, Mac, or any operating system in the world. It's going to work for you as long as you have access to the internet. When you get this, you will, of course, will also be eligible for all the software support and running updates, as well as special ranking training and resources that we use. Honestly, this is all done for you, but you'll be the judge once you get in. Now here's the deal. I don't want you to go through the learning curve we went through. I don't want you to struggle, suffer, or fail. I want to hand you everything you need for fast money on a silver platter. And I want you to send me a screenshot or a video testimonial with your results. These things are really worth all our hard work. And because of that, I'm offering you Point Rank for a ridiculous, and when I say ridiculous, I mean borderline crazy low one-time price. Scroll down, click the big button, and I'll see you inside. Feel free to email us at the email given at the bottom of the page for support or if you have any questions. Now, if you're skeptical regarding your investment with us, you should know that you're covered by our 100% money-back guarantee, which basically means that you can try it completely risk-free. Now imagine that in 30 days, you're already out of your job, working from home and growing your business every day, while having full control over your income with SEO without even knowing SEO. Feels good, doesn't it? Well, Point Rank is the fastest way you can achieve it. Besides proof, step-by-step walkthrough, and a bulletproof guarantee is just a fraction of how far we will go to help you. I understand it's scary to invest, especially with all these scams in every corner, and we want to keep our brand legit, whiter than cream, and just plain awesome. Therefore, if you're not satisfied, you won't walk away empty-handed. Never. It's been a pleasure talking to you. See you on the other side.